I recently just did my hair, and if you're interested, I have a link down below. But in order to keep my hair nice, healthy, and hydrated, I make this spray often, so why not share it with you is what I was thinking. All you need is a spray bottle, some of this, and a certain type of water, and you got your best hydrating mist. First, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why hydrating your locks are important. Now, just creating it and using it is one thing, but knowing why you created the hydrating mist and why you're using it is just as important. So let me give you the rundown. 1, it prevents your locks from becoming overly dry, which can lead to a lot of breakage. 2, it keeps your locks very soft and flexible. 3, it keeps your scalp healthy. Now, the moisture from the spray soothes your scalp, reducing itching, dryness, and flaking that can affect your growth. 4, it maintains your locks appearance, making them look more vibrant and less dull. 5, it also supports growth retention. Moisturized locks are less likely to break, so you maintain most of the growth you've achieved. So as I mentioned before, you will need a spray bottle, some glycerin, and you will also need some distilled water. Always use distilled water instead of tap water so you can avoid mineral buildup in your locks. All right, so I have my bottle here. I'm just gonna fill it up with 2 cups of water. Now, if you have a different size spray bottle, I am gonna put measurements up so you can see exactly how much you need for the bottle you have. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and eyeball it because I already know how much I'm gonna be using. If you want to make it scented, you can add about 2 to 3 drops of an essential oil of your choice, but I like to keep mine plain. I don't really care for the scent. Now, what I'm going to do is just shake it gently so I know the glycerin is fully incorporated into the water. Depending on your usage, this should last you a good month. Also, when you're finished using it, make sure you store it in a cool, dry place away from any direct light or windows. But like I mentioned, it's been a few days since I hydrated my locks, so I'm gonna do that now. And before I use it, I always give the bottle a good shake, and then I go ahead and spray my hair. All right, so that's all I need. As you can see, I just sprayed my locks lightly. I didn't oversaturate it, and that's exactly what you want to do. Also, if you have any dry areas in your scalp, make sure you focus on them areas to make sure they're hydrated. And you want to avoid oversaturation because that can cause a lot of buildup and you're just misting your locks. You're getting them hydrated. You're not drenching your locks, okay? So that's why I did it that way. All right, so that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and spending your time with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, like any at all, just leave them down below. And don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you get notified each and every time that I post a new video. And with that being said, I'm gonna see you in my next one.